What is up, YouTube? This is Owen Dowell here, and today I'm going to be doing a new Zippo video. And as you can see, it's a little different. I've never done this before. I'm going to be doing this as a talking head style video, so I'm going to be showing you guys my live reaction as I open it for the first time in this video. So the Zippo is actually in this bag right here, which I got from Canada about a week or so ago. And as you can probably imagine by the fact that it came from Canada, this is actually my first Zippo from ZippoFanatic. I think you guys can see that. I actually cannot see the camera preview, but this Zippo is from ZippoFanatic. I've got all my addresses and even his P.O. box blanked out just so that way I can protect my privacy and also to respect him. But he actually has his P.O. box listed on his channel because he accepts packages from his viewers. So the story of this Zippo is what's in here is actually a custom Zippo that he designed for T-MAN. And unfortunately, as y'all know, T-MAN has passed away at the start of November, so he never actually got to see this. But in my conversation with ZippoFanatic, he's told me that they spent like hours. They'd have like multiple nights where they stayed up till like 4 a.m. just coming up with various different designs and things for this Zippo. This is what they came up with. This is exactly what Tristan wanted, and unfortunately he never did get to see it. So because of that, ZippoFanatic decided to send it to me, which I'm incredibly honored and very thankful for. It's going to go directly into my Zippo display as soon as I get this thing out of the box and finish up this video. So yeah, I guess without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. Also, once I'm done getting my initial reactions out of the way, there is a little note that I would like to read for you guys that I have not yet read yet that ZippoFanatic wanted me to read in this video. So let's go ahead and cut this open. Got my scissors. These are nice scissors I got from Hobby Lobby. I don't think I'll ever need another pair of Zippos. And there it is. Right inside, we have the Zippo. As you can see, with looks like that might be a sticker of some kind. Wow, let's check this thing out. This is surprisingly light. I'm actually really surprised by like how light this is. I cannot remember if he did anything specific to it before he sent it to me. I do believe he did his packing technique, and he maybe, no, he obviously couldn't fill it because he was sending it from Canada. So that's a thing. But let me see here. Actually, you know what? I might carry this one a little bit. I'm not really one to carry Zippos anymore. I don't do it that often. So these are some... Oh, I know what these are. These are the Zippo Mafia stickers. I don't know if y'all are going to be able to see that on the camera. You probably can. These are Zippo Mafia stickers. So Tristan was obsessed with the Zippo Mafia, and he sent me quite a few of these. Actually, he sent me a lot of these in case I ever do any giveaways in the future, which I might. I'd like to get back into that at some point. I don't know when, guys. I really don't know when. But he sent me quite a few of them just to include with random Zippo-related shipments and whatnot. So I will certainly be doing that. Looks like I got 6 of them here. So I don't know, guys. We'll have to see about that. I might need to do some kind of a giveaway soon and maybe give some of these away. Some Zippo Mafia stickers in honor of Tristan. And the Zippo itself is right here in the shrink wrap, which is causing me problems. Oh, that's why it's so light. It is just the casing. Check that out. So if I want to use it, if I wanted to fill it and use it, I'd have to put my own insert in. Wow, okay. This is pretty cool. Unfortunately, I've got a light right there that is used to illuminate my face and make me look pretty, but it's making it really difficult for me to admire the Zippo. But check this out. So we've got a skull wearing kind of like a World War II style helmet. I am going to probably butcher a lot of the references on this lighter, by the way, guys. Tristan had a lot of interest in American history and World War II. Unfortunately, I don't have as much knowledge. Like, this guy, for his age, was a well of knowledge when it came to World War II, when it came to American history. I mean, he would blow my mind all the time, so I don't expect to fully understand what everything on here is, but I definitely know what this is on this side. So I'll show y'all that here in a minute. Anyway, what we've got right here, we've got kind of a skull wearing a World War II style helmet, and Tristan's brass knuckles on the helmet logo itself. And actually, one thing I remember, we've got on the side here, we've got ZippoFanatic77, as you can see. And actually, we have the... That's right. Okay, so what we have here, we've got ZippoFanatic's logo. He told me he was going to start doing Tristan's little brass knuckles logo instead of his logo on his customs from now on. I guess, obviously, since Tristan was still alive when he made the Zippo, he didn't get around to... He obviously just did it the normal way. So you can see we've got the standard ZippoFanatic logo on right there with ZF77 on it. And then we've got this really, really cool kind of wraparound on the crown and on the hinge side. This neat little fiery sort of looking pattern, as you can see. And then if we take a look at this side, this is the... Oh, God. I'm very confident that this is the Imperial logo. Like, there's a car called the Imperial, and this is the logo. It's the eagle. That is on the hood of the cars. He wanted this on a Zippo, and there it is right there. And it looks fantastic on here, as you can see. It looks absolutely fantastic. And the bottom stamp is completely as you'd expect. It is made in, for those of you wondering, this is made in December of 2014. And basically what he does is I'm not going to go, I don't know the whole process enough to really explain it fully, but what he basically does is he takes a high polished chrome Zippo and he makes vinyl stencils and attaches to the Zippo itself, and then he's able to use some kind of etchant to wear down the chrome so that way you have bare brass. He has a video on his channel of the process. I don't know if it's on his original ZippoFanatic channel or on his ZippoFanatic77 Outdoors channel. I'll try to find it and I'll try to link it in the description if you're interested, as well, of course, as ZippoFanatic77 Outdoors channel, because that's his current channel. Because obviously I would like for you guys to check him out, because he was so kind, and I am honestly just super duper... I'm going to keep this out of my face. Oh, I was mostly just showing it to you guys. I'm just super duper honored that I get to have this in my collection. A little memorabilia for Tristan. And I do have a spare insert in my room that I'm going to put in here. It's might be a little bit newer than the Zippo itself, but that should be fine. So, yeah, this is really cool. I really am I'm a big fan of the Tristan logo on the helmet. I think that's really cool, the brass knuckles. So, very nice, guys. That is awesome. Thank you so much, ZippoFanatic, for sending this my way. I do apologize. It took me a very long time to make this video. I was supposed to get this video out like on his birthday, but my schedule and just when the package even arrived, it was just, I just could not make it work, guys. I think it's been a week since I received it, and I'm opening it today. So I'm going to try to get this out this weekend. I'm hoping to get this out on a Saturday. So if it's a Saturday, I was able to do it. And if it's Sunday, then I tried. Or if it's Monday, then I tried and really just did terribly. But yeah, anyway, guys, I think that's going to do it. So once again, thank you so much, ZippoFanatic, for sending me the Zippo. And I do need to read the note. There is a note that he included with this, and because I'm recording on my laptop, I can just pull it up on my screen and read it. So, hey Owen, I hope you enjoyed this Zippo. It was supposed to go to T-Man, but he never got the chance. Rest in peace, Tristan. Zippo Mafia for life. Hell yeah, let's go. On the front image is what T-Man wanted his new logo to be. So this is supposed to be T-Man's new, I guess, channel icon, his new channel logo. At some point in the future, this is going to be it. So that's what this skull is, which I think is pretty cool. We designed it together, and the back side is T-Man's favorite car emblem, the Chrysler Imperial. I knew it, guys. I knew it was the Imperial. Come on. I mean, really? I was like, if I got that wrong, I'd be very disappointed in myself. Yeah, I figured I knew this was the Imperial logo, especially with how often he talks to me about the Imperial. Actually, he has one on his desk also. Yes, that's true. He showed me a picture. ZippoFanatic actually showed me a picture that Tristan sent him of a little ornament with the Imperial logo on it, which is pretty cool. I don't believe he sent me the photo itself in a text. If he did, I'll include it in the video. But anyway, it's also on his desk also. I hope you enjoyed, Owen. Use it here and there. T-Man would like that. Absolutely. Absolutely, you know what? Absolutely. This is going to be a user. I'm going to put it in my display for the time being, but this will become a user. I will make sure to take it out and carry it around with me and appreciate it on the go, as Tristan would have obviously done himself. And signed, your friend, ZippoFanatic77. Thank you so much, ZippoFanatic. That was a incredible note and a really, really cool lighter in memory of Tristan. So I'm quite excited to have this. And hopefully you guys like this video. I'm gonna do it a little different. There might be a little bit of B-roll here and there. And because it gets dark at 5, I can't really make the B-roll until it's light outside. So that's part why it's probably gonna be this weekend when I get the video up. So anyways, hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna sign out. So thank you guys so very much for watching. And again, shout out to you, ZippoFanatic77 for sending me the Zippo. I'll have your channel linked in the description. Thank you guys so much. Rest in peace, Tristan. We love you so much and we miss you. Adios. Man shift 2.